dot gamma, combination of 3 nucleotides forms single genetic code. Combination of 3 nucleotides means totally 64 genetic codes are formed, and the 64 genetic codes are more than sufficient to code for all the 20 different types of amino acid. Code is nothing but collection of symbols. It's a collection of symbols with genetic information. Collection of symbols with genetic information. Collection of symbols with genetic information is nothing but code. And codons are present on mRNA. Codons means again combination of 3 nucleotides. Combination of 3 nucleotides are also called as codons. These codons are present on mRNA. And the codons of the mRNA specifies codons of the mRNA specifies the number, types and sequence of amino acids in a protein. Means it only decides, codons of the mRNA only decides which amino acid should be the first one or second one, third one. Like that, it specifies the number, types and sequence of amino acids in a protein or polypeptide. What is genetic code then? Genetic code is a relationship. Genetic code is a relationship between the sequence of, it's a relationship between the definite sequence of nucleotides of DNA and sequence of amino acids in a protein. Genetic code is a relationship. Genetic code is a relationship between definite sequence of amino acids, definite sequence of nucleotides in DNA and definite sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide. It's a relationship between definite sequence of nucleotides in a DNA and definite sequence of amino acids in a protein. This is called genetic code. Genetic code. Now let us discuss about the salient features of genetic code or characteristic features of genetic code. Characteristic features of genetic code. It is very, very important. Characteristic features of genetic code or salient features of genetic code. And there are 64 codons or 64 genetic codes. Out of 64 genetic codes, 61 genetic codes code for particular amino acid. The remaining genetic codes act as a stop codons. Out of 64 genetic codes or codons, 61 codes for amino acid. 61 codes for amino acid, and the remaining three act as a stop codons. Stop codons means these three genetic codes do not code for any amino acid. Instead, the presence of these codons stop the process of translation, or it terminates the process of translation. Now, let us discuss about the characteristic features of genetic code. Characteristic features or salient features. Characteristic features or salient features of genetic code. First one is triplet nature. First one is triplet nature. That means genetic code is a triplet in nature. Triplet means the presence of 3 nitrogen bases or the combination of 3 nucleotides. Genetic code is a triplet in nature. Means the 3 nucleotides or the 3 adjacent nucleotides forms single genetic code. 3 adjacent nucleotides form single genetic code. 3 adjacent nucleotides form single genetic code. That means they are triplet in nature. Genetic code is triplet in nature. For example, AUG is one genetic code. GUG is another genetic code. CUA, one more genetic code. Like this, 3 nitrogen bases or 3 nucleotides forms single genetic code. That is called triplet nature. Then second one. Genetic code is sensible or unambiguous. It is sensible or unambiguous. That means a particular amino acid or some amino acids may be coded by more than one genetic code. Unambiguous or sensible. Genetic code is unambiguous or sensible. Genetic code is sensible or unambiguous. That means particular codon or particular genetic code codes for particular amino acid. If particular amino acid is coded by more than one codon or more than one genetic code, that is called degenerative. Next characteristic feature, let us discuss about that. Genetic code is sensible means one genetic code codes for one genetic code or single genetic code codes for particular single amino acid. That means they are very much specific towards amino acid. A particular genetic code always codes for particular amino acid. Specificity. Particular genetic code codes for particular single amino acid. That is what it is sensible or unambiguous. For example, AUG is the genetic code which always codes for methionine. AUG is the genetic code which always codes for the amino acid methionine. Then third one, genetic code is degenerative. Means degenerative means some amino acids maybe or some amino acids are coded by more than one genetic code. Unambiguous means particular genetic code always codes for particular amino acid. There are 64 genetic codes. Out of that, 61 genetic codes code for 20 different types of amino acids. Means codons are always specific towards the amino acid. Particular genetic code always codes for particular type of amino acid. Degenerative means some amino acids are coded by more than one genetic code. Some amino acids are coded by more than one genetic code. For example, leucine. Leucine is one of the amino acid. It is coded by more than one genetic code, such as CUA, CUC, CUG and CUU. See, here 4 genetic codes are present, and all the 4 genetic codes for single amino acid, that is leucine. Means leucine is one of the amino acid which is coded by more than one genetic code, or it is coded by here 4 genetic codes. Means genetic codes are degenerative. Next one, genetic codes are comaless. Means there is no punctuation mark between 2 codons or between 2 genetic codes. No punctuation marks. Like suppose this is a mRNA. And it contains codons. Example, CUA, CUG, AUG, CUC, GGA. Consider these are the codons present on the mRNA. The codons present on the mRNA should be read in contiguous fashion. Means we have to read these codons continuously. There should not be any punctuation mark. Like for example, while reading this, we have to read CUU, CUG, AUG, CUC, GGA. Instead of reading CUU, CUG, CUC, AUG, GGA, full stop. There is no punctuation mark between 2 codons. So one should not put comma marks or full stop here. It should be read in contiguous fashion or continuously. There is no punctuation marks between 2 genetic codes. Genetic code is universal. Next characteristic feature is genetic code is universal. It is universal. Means a particular codon. Universal means a particular codon always codes for particular codon or particular genetic code always codes for particular amino acid in all organisms. particular codon or genetic code always codes for particular amino acid in all organisms. All organisms means from bacteria to human beings. It may be a lower organism or higher organism. Particular codon always codes for particular amino acid only. For example, UUU is one of the genetic code or codon. It always codes for amino acid phenylalanine. UUU is one of the genetic code or codon on mRNA. It always codes for amino acid phenylalanine in all organisms. It may be a bacteria or other lower organism or human body. In all the organisms, UUU codes for the amino acid phenylalanine. Next one is initiator codon. Initiator codon. Initiator codon means the process of translation always begins with initiation codon or initiator codon. AUG in most of the organisms, AUG is the initiator codon. AUG is the initiator codon which usually initiates or begins the process of translation. AUG is the initiator codon which initiates the process of translation. Suppose AUG is absent on mRNA. Rarely AUG will be absent on mRNA. At that time, GUG act as a initiator codon. If AUG is absent on mRNA, then GUG act as a initiator codon and initiate the process of translation. The last one is terminator codons. Terminator codons. Terminator codons means, already we have discussed that out of 64 genetic codes or codons, 61 codes for 20 different types of amino acid, and the remaining 3 codons do not code for any amino acid. These terminator codons do not code for any amino acid. Terminator codons do not code for any amino acid. And their function is termination of translation. Whenever these terminator codons are present on mRNA, at that region the process of translation stops or terminates. The presence of terminator codons on mRNA terminates or stops the process of translation. Terminator codons are also called as stop codons. Terminator codons are also called as stop codons. There are 3 terminator codons. There are 3 terminator codons such as UAG, UGA and UAA. UAG, UGA and UAA are the 3 terminator codons present on mRNA. 3 terminator codons present on the mRNA are UAG, UGA, UAG, UGA and UAE are the three terminator codons present on mRNA. The presence of these codons on mRNA stop the process of translation or terminates the process of translation. This is about the salient features or characteristic features of genetic code. Thank you.